Hi, so today I'm going to teach you about the banker game. It's a game that I made up years ago. And what it is, you need to have units. So each one of these they're just cubes. And you just count them by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And you also need tens rods. Why is it called a tens rod? And we talk about this in class, but it's because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in every rod. So it's like you've connected 10 of these to make one of these. And the really cool thing about these units is that it helps us with counting a lot easier, especially if we have just tens. We just count these by 10 here. It's 10, 20, 30, 40, and then we count on by ones. So like 41, 42, 43, and so on. Okay, so that's basically what the things are that you're going to need, along with one die. All right, so we've got a dice, and we're going to roll the dice. I have a 2. So depending on how many people are playing, you might have a person who is in charge of these things, and then whatever you roll, they have to give you those units. So I rolled a 2, so I get 2 units. 1, 2. All right, then another person would take a turn. Today I'm going to just play it by myself so that you can see, oh, I got 2 more. Okay. Well, then we talk about, okay, what is this? How much is that? That's 4. Great. Okay, let's roll again. Ooh, there's 5. Okay, so there's 2, 4, 5. All right, so we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we talk about, well, how many more do you need? 10. If you want, you can also draw a tens frame to help you keep track of it. Ooh, look at that. I rolled a 1. Okay, so when I have got the 1 from here, well, we can confirm that this is a group of 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And I can say, banker, I want to trade that for a tens rod because it's so much easier to count by tens. So I give back my tens and I trade it in for a tens rod. So again, I had the same number as I had before. And we keep going. So I have 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Keep going. Ooh, there's 5. Okay, so I have to count 5, 2, 4, 5. So 5 and 3 more is 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so in total, sometimes I stop and say, well, how many do you have? There's 10 and 8 makes 18. Roll again. Ooh, I got a 6. Okay, so I can do that. 2, 4, 6. Okay, so we said we had 8 here. So how much is that all together? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Well, I can take this 10 and say, banker, I want to trade that for a tens rod. All right, so I've traded in for another tens rod, and then I have my 4 extras here. So that gives me 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And you keep playing this game until you get 5 tens rods. So as soon as you get to 50, then that person is the winner and they become the banker. So that's if you're playing with another person. If you're just doing it yourself, you're just going to keep practicing that and see how many rolls it takes to get to 50. So hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, just let me know.